such Amazon PPC management tools actually help with scale and optimization. I'm going to again talk about the Ad Console and what we are finding in the Ad Console that is the most helpful when it comes down to first of scaling, because you were asking about scaling. It's going to be really budgets. So budgets is your easiest lever. Then if you're going to increase or decrease, it's going to help with scaling or scaling profitably or not. Really, an account. So budgets is the one thing, and budgets can be on a campaign level, on an ad group level, on an ad type level, and on a portfolio level ads that you're running. And really important there, whenever you would use the budget for your entire account, especially from Amazon sites, they are going to have that budget only for sponsored product ads, not for sponsored brand, not for sponsored display. So if you have a monthly budget, or if you're aiming for a monthly budget for your brand, just make sure that you understand that that can go up to 25 to 100% higher than actually is right now. And also that is going to be applicable only for sponsored products. Sponsored brand and sponsored display, you don't have that limitation. So from there, you cannot control budget. When it comes down to optimization, really the first things I'm thinking of is bid optimization when it comes down to profitability, bid optimization when it comes down to keeping specific placements. So here we're talking about placement modifiers, product optimization when it comes down to adding multiple products within your campaign and then pausing products that are not performing well or not performing as expected. Keyword negation when it comes down to search terms. Those are the first that are top of mind right now. Probably those are the most important that I would personally look into.